Guys, one important thing to take out of this war is that a Republican can never tell me there's no money in the coffers. They have money to do exactly what they want to do. Spend trillions of dollars on war. Mind you, it's the same old game playbook. Republican industrial military manufacturers, billionaires are profiting off this war at our expense. These Republicans and their backers are laughing in our face. While at the same time profiting from insider trading on this war. So listen, I don't want to hear pull yourself up by your bootstraps. I don't want to hear, well, get a second job. No, as an American, we're not animals. We're Americans with human rights, basic rights to health care, livable wages, and affordable housing. So, don't fall for it any longer. They all have to go. Republicans have always been, is, and always will be the party for the rich.